If you're dealing with last-minute project changes and need to handle them without panic, you're in the right place. I've been there. Client feedback drops 24 hours before deadline, priorities shift, or your team suddenly changes direction. It's stressful, but it doesn't have to be. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to take control, stay calm, and adjust on the fly without derailing the whole project. Plus, I'll be using one software that stood out above the rest, and I've got an exclusive free trial link for you in the description, only for viewers of this channel. When the change hits, the first thing is to pause and evaluate. Don't jump straight into fixing things. Look at what's changed and what it impacts, timeline, resources, deliverables. Ask yourself, what has to change right now and what can stay the same? That quick triage step prevents unnecessary chaos. Next, rewrite your priorities. One of the best things about the software we're using is how fast you can reorder tasks, assign responsibilities, and adjust timelines in just a few clicks. Use it to refocus everyone on what's most urgent, not just what's loudest. Communicate fast, but clearly. You don't need a long meeting. A 1-minute recorded update or quick team message outlining what changed, why, and what's next can prevent confusion and save hours. In the software we'll be using, you can tag your team, set a new task owner, and even attach the client's new input so no one's guessing. If the deadline's tight, isolate the work. Create a subtask or sprint just for handling this last-minute change. It keeps your core project structure intact while letting you focus on this new update. I've tested this approach across multiple platforms, and this one handles it the smoothest. Link in the description if you want to follow along with the same setup. Don't forget to document the change. In the moment, it feels like you'll remember everything, but in 2 weeks, not likely. Use the notes or comment feature to quickly log what changed and when. That trail protects your sanity later. One thing I always do, identify the domino task. That's the one item that, once done, makes everything else move again. Prioritize that above all else. It gives you momentum, clarity, and calms down the chaos fast. And if you're still feeling overwhelmed, take 60 seconds to do a mini review of what hasn't changed. It brings perspective. The software we're using even lets you filter to show only what's untouched. Super helpful when your brain's in overload mode. Here's the key takeaway. Last-minute project changes don't have to cause panic. You just need a system that lets you pause, reprioritize, communicate, and act without getting buried in noise. Quick recap. Pause and evaluate the change. Reorder priorities using your software. Communicate fast and clearly. Isolate the change. Document what's happening. Focus on the domino task. And zoom out to see what hasn't changed. Don't forget, if you want to follow along and try the same tool I'm using, the exclusive free trial link is waiting for you in the description. It's only available to viewers of my channel, and it's a game changer when you're dealing with last-minute chaos. You've got this. See you in the next one.